Okay, so yesterday we have created profit center, individual processing, and profit center group. Sorry, go to change DRCA is our controlling area. So we have created bulk drug product 1, bulk drug product 2, pharma product 1, product 2. Okay, and similarly cost center accounting, master data, cost center group, change, so here we have created same cost center group also we have created. Same exactly the way how we have created the profit center accounting, we have created the cost center accounting also. And not only that, we have established a link between the cost center and the profit center. Let me open this screen. So we have established this link like this. Okay, so this is the cost center accounting, this is the profit center. So each cost center is linked to profit center. Our main motto is to flow the cost into profit center. How it will flow, I'll show you. Right, we have established these relations, one-to-one relation we have established here. Right, now let us and one more thing, go to FS00, and when you create sales account 2003, change. So we have changed even the field status group. Previously when we have created the GL account for sales, we have created with the G001, and now we have changed it to G029 revenue accounts. If you take this, the main reason why I have changed this is it will activate the profit centers field at the time of posting. See cost center and come down a little, then you'll understand profitability segment. Profit center is optional. So whenever you are going to post any accounting entry, the sales entry, etc., we have to post it to the profit center, and cost will be posted to the cost center. And we have created even the revenue element also we have done with 11 revenues, right? Now everything is ready, platform. Now let us post accounting entry. Posting of accounting entry means first of all we'll post few expenses and then sales, right? Okay, let me post the sales first. Sales means F-22, right? Financial accounting. Now we have to go to the financial accounting now, right? Accounts receivable, document entry, invoice F-22. Because I want to know profitability by product wise. So customer account data to sales. by company code wise, DRLB. Okay. Say for example 2,55,000 sales. Test for profit center accounting. And 50 customer account data to sales. Let us take 3 lakhs 1 sales bulk drug. I am taking 3 lakhs 1 amount 2,55,000. Here profit center sales bulk drug product 1. What I am doing, I am posting this to profit center. See, bulk drug product 1. Sales bulk drug product 1 is posted to bulk drug product 1 profit center. But in real scenario, sales, whenever the sales are made, already profit center is by default assigned. So automatic assignment will be done. In that way, sales will be posted to the respective profit centers. Okay. Right, save it. Since it has to post to the profit centers, it will take a little time. First time. Right. Next, what I will do, I want to post with reference, another entry I'll post. This I will change it. Right, let me post around 3,50,000. And profit center, I am taking next to profit center, bulk drug product 2. The sales also I will change it. I have to make the sales change. Okay. So 3,50,000 test for profit center accounting. 50 sales. 3 lakhs 2 I'll take. Sales bulk drug product 2. 3,50,000. And here let us take bulk drug product 2. Right? So like that, whatever the sale that you are making, post to that respective profit center. Now I want to see the profitability, not profitability, rather whether the entry whatever you have posted to the profit center has been posted to profit center. Now I want to see the information system. Line item reports KE5Z. 2,55,000, 3,50,000, profit center 900, 101, 102. Right, two profit centers we have posted. Okay, now let me post few expenses. Go to F-02, our general ledger accounting. I want to post few expenses. Say for example, now when we are posting the expenses to the cost centers, and all the cost centers already we have posted expenses. Similarly, we are going to post some, say for example, wages I am posting. Wages to the labor and those who are working in the production cost center. 400, I think 101. 400, 101 staff salaries, officer salaries, wages. So 400, 103 I am posting wages. Say wages 1,20,000. Cost center. So cost center, the production cost center. Say for example 900, 101. That is bulk drug product 1. So for this, whatever the wages that we have paid to the labor or okay the staff etc. Like the wages we are posting 1,20,000. Right, test for profit center accounting. Let me do one thing. Instead of posting like this, what I will do, F-02, go to fast data entry. Just give me a second. Hello. Yes, speaking. Okay, here what I will do is okay 40, 400, 103, that is wages 1,20,000. Right, cost center 900, 101. Similarly 40, 400, 101, that is nothing but salaries to staff. Say for example some amount like 40,000 to the same cost center. Right, because for this product 900, 101 is nothing but bulk drugs product 1. So all these expenses belong to this cost center. I mean in manufacturing this product we are incurring. That's why I'm posting to this cost center. Right, 40, say 400, 30, say 1 office rent, say some 20,000. Right, 50, bank account 20405. Let me take star. Save it. Right, we have posted expenses to the cost center, right? And we have posted revenues to profit center, right? But profit center, cost center are linked to each other. Let me post one more entry, post with reference. So what are the techniques that you have learned during your general ledger accounting? We can use the same, right? Say for example, now here, this is say 150. Wages are 150. Then coming to the staff salaries, say 60 here. Okay, office rent, instead of 20, say 30,000. Okay. Two lakh 40,000. Save it. Right. So we have posted now costs into the cost center and revenues to the revenue center. Now let me check my report. So report checking, controlling, profit center accounting, information system, reports for profit center accounting, line item reports, KE5Z profit center actual line items. If you observe, okay, record type, version, everything, you can say DR, LB, DR, you know everything, right? December month, okay, number 9, fiscal year 2013. Now I want to see the profit center. Which profit center? Right, 900, 101. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to change the profit center. That's why everything has been posted to 255 and 165 is loss. Sorry, I forgot. Okay, what I will do is now let me post to other profit center also. Let me post few more of dash 22. Have to post one more sales entry to the first profit center. Net amount 1,60,000 is loss. So again, say 2,55,000. Test for profit center 50, 300, 101, bulk truck product 1, profit center 101, right, 55. Now one more entry, one more expenses I want to post in F-02. What I have done, I have taken post with reference, but the problem is I forgot to change the profit center. First data entry 40, 400, K101, 40, 400, 103, 40, 400, 301, 50, bank account 20405 amount say 1,50,000 here, and around wages 60,000, 301 office rent 30,000 star, and here I have to take cost center, second cost center I'm taking. Here I forgot to take that. Save it. Now let us see the report. Right, reports for profit center accounting, line item reports, KE Pfizer, profit center, actual line items. For the first profit center 90101, right, we have posted so many expenses, wages, everything, and 2,55,000, 2,55,000, these two are revenues, right, and all these are all expenses. So 90,000 minus means this is profit. How you'll come to know? Let me do one thing. Profit center. I want to see this. Then coming to controlling area. Where is cost center? I'm just pushing towards the side. Just I want to change the layout. Okay, first profit center, let me print preview. In the print preview, I want to change the layout. Okay, layout is okay. Totals I want to make profit center, cost center. See here, total expenses are 420, revenues are 510, and net profitability is 90,000. Just have changed the layout for the proper presentation. Got it? Otherwise you can say first profit center 5,10,000, then followed by expenses 420, net result 90,000, that is profit. So now what we have done, in case of cost centers you have seen only the expenses that are posted to the cost centers, but whereas in this case I have not posted cost to the cost center. I'm sorry, I have not posted to the profit center. But how costs are transferred to profit center? Because we have given, just give me a second. Just give me a second. So see, this is the profitability that has been arrived in the profit center. So the specialty here is, in case of cost center, it will take only costs. In case of profit center, we have posted only costs, only revenues. But since we have established a link between the cost center and the profit center, the expenses will be flowing into the profit center, and you can see the profitability here like this. Okay, let me check another profit center. One or two. Right, 1,10,000 is the profit. If you want to say proper this thing, go to click on print preview, right? Then go to this sigma by sigma totals. Take this. So what totals you want? Now, first I want profit center. Push towards this side. Then I want the cost center. Where is our cost center? Is this side or document profit center account number? So cost center. Select like this. Push toward this side. I don't want this. Push toward this side. I want only profit center, cost center, right? Copy. So my profit center, the sales are 3,50,000 and expenses are 2,40,000. Net profit is 1,10,000. So in the previous cost center, it was 90,000. Right. So profit center wise profitability you can see like this. Right. And another one, come back, come out of this, and interactive reporting, profit center group plan versus actual variance. You can go here. Even you can see here. So from period 9th period to 9th period, plan version 0, right, profit center group, just execute. Not this one. So even here, what we can do, can plan from period 9th period to 9th period, from profit center. Let me check. That I'm looking for another report. Yes, from period 9th period to 9th period for this profit center group. So for the bulk drug division, 90,000 profitability in case of 101, and in case of 102, 1,10,000. Total profit is 2 lakhs. Right, this is the actual. So plan we have not given, right? So that's why plan is not reflected here. So the total only profitability it is showing now. Profit by profit center accounting. Right, this is profit center account, profit center, and profit center wise profitability you can see. Okay. Okay, so like this, any number of profit centers. So profit center wise profitability, if you want to see, so profit center accounting is the only method, right? Any doubts in this? Okay, and let us take up next is new GL, right? New GL is one of the very important topic, and this is going to be the last and final topic, right? After that we'll take up the project work, and here in case of new GL, what is meant by new GL, what is the purpose of new GL, all those things we'll see. Let us have introduction of the new GL today. Here new GL means we have two things here. One is in new GL the two important topics. One is parallel ledgers. Another one is document splitting. Okay. So what is meant by parallel ledger? So parallel ledger is nothing but in case of companies, every company can maintain their books of accounts, right? In generally one books of accounts we maintain. Right, books of accounts as per the our Indian accounting standards, or if you're that is the country in which you are, right? Say for example here, right, this is our company. So Dr. Reddy Labs, see, being the Indian company, we are maintaining books of accounts as per the Indian accounting standards. And by default, system will maintain ledger accounts, all the ledger accounts, and by default system will have one 0L ledger. So what is meant by 0L ledger means by default system will create a 0L ledger. Whenever you create a company code, it will be created in 0L ledger. All your accounts, your recon accounts, all accounts are going to be created in the 0L ledger. And that we call it as leading ledger because that is the books of accounts, the main books of accounts maintained for that company, and that is maintained in INR, and fiscal year is going to be April to March, and fiscal year variant is V3, right? Now, say for example, Dr. Reddy Labs, they have raised their funds from US market. Since they have raised their funds from US market, it is their responsibility to submit their books of accounts even to the US SEC, United States Security Exchange Commission. They have to submit their books of accounts in US dollar. Books are to be maintained as per the US GAAP. So US GAAP is nothing but US accounting standards. We can create non-leading ledger. Say this is leading ledger because our company code is in India, right? This is the leading ledger as per the Indian books of accounts. Now, my additional responsibility is that I have to prepare and submit to the United States government because I have raised my funds even from the US market. So I need to submit financial statements to the US government also in US dollar. And as per the US GAAP, and not only that, my fiscal year variant should be January to December. This is my requirement. Okay. Is that possible? Means yes. When you are maintaining these books of accounts, system will allow you to post accounting entries in simultaneously one parallel ledger, right? That parallel ledger we can create. And second one, books of accounts are to be maintained. Say from UK market also we have raised our funds. In such case, it is our responsibility to submit our financial statements even to the European market. European legal authorities, I need to submit my financial statements. When I'm going to submit my financial statements to the European government, and that I wanted to prepare, say for example in euros or GBP, right? Say for example they want another fiscal year, that is July to June, that is V3. So is it possible for me to maintain another 2 sets of books of accounts along with my original set of books? This is original set of books and these are all additional books. So we have the facility that in SAP I can maintain my books of accounts finally in 3 sets. One is company code. Books of accounts can be maintained as per the company code, and that is as per the local GAAP, I can say local GAAP. And 2 more sets of books can be maintained, right, with 2 more different currencies. That is the advantage we have. So how to maintain parallel ledgers, how to post accounting entries, all these things are going to be seen in NewGL. Then what is document splitting? Document splitting is nothing but say in case of companies, when we post an accounting entry, say for example, say office rent account data to bank. Now when I'm paying office rent for business area Hyderabad, office rent for Chennai, account data to bank. Say for example, this is 400, this is 600 rupees. To bank 1000, right? See, office rent is an expenditure account, it will go to P&L account. Bank is nothing but this is a balance sheet account. And if I want to prepare my balance sheet as per business area, And can I get this? Because bank is a balance sheet account, only one line item it is generating. If I want business area wise, in Hyderabad, okay, it should post 40. Right, in Chennai it should post 400. Here it is 600. But is it possible? That means what I want is, I want the document to be split. There is the second line item. See, at the time of posting this first line item, I'm posting it. I'm separating it. See, office rent account data, business area Hyderabad. Office rent account data, business area Chennai. Right. So like this, I'm posting these two. But the bank line item, I want it to be split into according to this proportion, because I want to prepare even balance sheet as per the business area. Unless I split, I cannot prepare my balance sheet as per the business area. But it need not necessarily be business area. It can be business area. It can be as per the profit center, or it can be segment. So whatever it may be. So by any way, I need to split the document, right? How to split document, etc. Everything we'll see tomorrow. Okay. So yesterday's and today's recording, I'll send it today. And let me upload this one. Let me stop.